Okay mga kamads, mga kaibigan, welcome back to another content, and this is the continuation actually of nung nangyari kay ate at saka dun sa Grab driver, si Delulu or si yung nagdelulu ba at or nagalulu ba. So ito yung conclusion dito mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. By the way ito po ay decision po ito ng Grab as a private company. So let's call it as it is Hindi pa to, kung gusto mag-file halimbawa nung family nung babae, pwede. Pero as far as Grab is concerned, ito po ang sagot nila. And mamaya i-explain ko sa inyo lahat yan so that we are in the understanding of what is going on in our country. Okay, so Grab, official statement of Grab Philippines. Grab Philippines has completed in its investigation into the viral complaint involving one of our partner which alleged his involvement in a public act of lasciviousness. Okay? So dito pa lang mukhang hindi naman siguro legal term 'yan, pero yung mga ganito kasi usually may legal na kaakibat yan. After a comprehensive review of the audio protect recording from the trip, the driver partner's profile and the performance history, okay, so kinonsider nila lahat talaga yung since time immemorial. Kasi di ba sa Grab may ratings dyan and yung sinasabi ng mga naging pasahero nito. So given the history and given all of this information or data na nahanap ng Grab Philippines, ito ang sinabi nila. Okay, ito na. Drum roll please. Okay. So, we found no conclusive evidence to support the allegation or indicate any malicious intent. Oh! So, congratulations po dun sa Grab driver, si Kuya. Hindi ko na ba banggitin yung pangalan for privacy purposes, pero kilala nyo naman siguro, nakita nyo naman siguro sa timeline yan. We have met with the passengers' family and the driver's partner separately to share our findings of our investigation. Okay? During this discussion, we listened to their concerns and provided support on the issue that required clarification. Okay? Okay, we deeply appreciate their willingness to engage constructively in resolving the matter. Okay, so palakpakan tayo dyan. In light of these findings, the driver partner's accounts has been reactivated. Oy, congratulations kay Kuya. Ako naman talaga, sinabi ko naman sa inyo kahapon yun, hindi rin ako naniniwala actually. Pero opinion ko yun eh. Yung opinion ko doesn't really matter dito sa grander scale of things. Pero ito ay opinion ng Grab, okay? And yung opinion ng Grab holds much water kasi nga bukod sa meron silang data nung tao, meron din silang in-interview pa rin nila yung dalawang panig. So hindi sila nagkulang talaga dito. In light of this finding, the driver partner's account has been reactivated. Furthermore, he will be compensated for the earning loss during the suspension period in accordance with our standard operating procedures. Very good ulit. We understand the challenges faced by both passengers and driver partners in such situation and remain committed to ensure fairness and understanding. Very good. Very good. Very good news para kay Kuya. Okay? Tuloy natin. At Grab, we take all concerns, allegation with utmost seriousness. Incidents like this remind us of the responsibility we have to ensure safety, build trust, and create respectful environment for all our users. As part of our ongoing efforts, we will. Okay, ito na yung nila. Ito na yung mga kailangan naman nilang sabihin talaga to kasi magiging public document na to. Continuously improve our safety features and reporting mechanism to ensure swift and thorough resolution. Okay? Work closely with passenger drivers, law enforcement to uphold the highest standard of safety, respect, and accountability. Okay? We encourage both passenger and driver partners to utilize Grab reporting tools to help voice concerns promptly. So, eto nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kasi yung escalation procedure, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na escalation procedures sa lahat ng bagay dito sa buhay. Kasi nung nagwo-work ako sa call center before, call center A, yun yung tawag namin doon. Pero na-realize ko that the escalation procedure can also be applied in real life. So, paano po yun? Halimbawa po, may nangyaring ganitong insidente. Hindi po agad kayo tatakbo sa social media. Ang gagawin nyo muna is, number one is to report it sa company kasi nga it's an administrative matter. Dahil nag-book kayo sa Grab, meron magagawa yon, it's an administrative matter. And also, it is also a criminal complaint. Kung meron talaga nangyaring ganyan na hindi ka aya-aya, pumunta po tayo sa kinauukulan. Yun ang tama. Diba? Teka, mali. Ito pala. These mechanisms are designed to ensure that all issues are addressed fairly, transparently, in a swift manner. Okay, Grab Philippines remains dedicated to fostering fostering a platform where both passengers and driver and partners feel valued, respected, and safe. Very good. Very good resolution for Grab. So, ito ay nag-a-agree ako. Okay, so doon muna tayo kay Kuya. Una muna, congratulations kay Kuya. Diba? In my opinion kay Kuya, doon sa nangyari, after reading all the information available publicly, I would say talaga na walang nangyaring paglululo. And sa tingin ko, it was a misinterpretation of the female passenger. Siguro, well, may mga ganun naman talagang tao na, well, medyo may pagka hyperactive yung imagination. I wanna say that. Okay, so, kaso nga lang talaga, alam mo yon, medyo hassle to doon kay Kuya, pero congratulations pa rin dahil makakabalik na siya sa work niya and alagaan niya, of course, yung health niya. Di ba? Parang ako, I'm taking care of myself. Look at the hair. Joke lang. Joke lang yon. Wala ako pera na ngayon. GL. So, ngayon, pumunta na tayo kay ate kasi ano yung pwede niyang maging recourse dito? Ano yung escalation procedure niya? Okay? So, yung administrative matter or in relation sa company, olats na siya. Kasi nga, hindi siya kinampihan ng Grab. And if ang Grab dito is to testify, of course, they will testify for the driver. Okay? So, next step ni ate, kung talagang may nangyaring hindi ka aya-aya sa kanya, X na sa social media kasi wala nang kakampi sa kanya since ang Grab, eto pare, at this very moment, nagwa-viral to dahil kalat to sa buong news media page, yung mga ABS-CBN, GMA7, TV5, lahat to kino-cover. So alam natin na pagdating sa social media, olats na si ate. So meron pang isa. The only option she has right now is to do something that she should have done initially. 'Di ba? Kasi kung talagang nagluklo yan, edi sana binidyohan mo para may ebidensya ka talaga. Walang masasabi ang tao, right? So, ang isa na lang niyang kailangan gawin ngayon kung talagang may nangyaring hindi ka aya-aya sa kanya is to go to the Women's Help Desk and file a complaint doon. Okay? Sabihin niya ito or pumunta na siya sa barangay at mag-file na siya. She needs to lawyer up kung talagang meron nangyari sa kanya. That's the only option she has right now. And initially, dapat yun yung una niyang ginawa kasi itong mga ganitong bagay, hindi dapat to linalagay sa social media, especially if you are a private individual. Okay? Well, hindi naman din, kahit naman siguro public figure ka hindi mo dapat nilalagay lahat sa social media. There are certain portions of your life that you should remain private. Now, balik tayo kay ate. Kay ate dapat, since she is since meron siyang mga social media pages, hindi naman siguro significant yung following nun para ipaalam sa kanila yung etong nangyari sa kanya. This is supposedly a traumatic experience na dapat dinadala niya sa proper venue. Saan yung proper venue? Sa Facebook post mo? No. Ang proper venue nito is pupunta ka sa kapulisan at doon ka magsusumbong. Hindi sa social media at hahanap ka ng simpatsya doon. Mali yun. Okay? So, yun dapat yung ginawa ni ate rito. Hopefully, natuto siya. Bata pa naman siya. And yung parents din, sana din mai-monitor nyo rin yung mga pinopost ng anak nyo. Kasi nga madali pong mag-viral ngayon, especially if merong kadramahan na ganito. Yung paglulo na yun, sobrang very damaging yun sa reputation ng isang driver na yung driver araw-araw humaharap sa tao yun. And kung meron siyang ganitong reputasyon, hindi ka aya-aya yun. Okay, so ulit, congratulations kay Kuya, kay Grab, kay ate naman, please learn your lesson dito. Yun lang naman yung sa akin for today. Gege mga lods.